We are a boutique custom print shop. I'm not a Kinko's, I'm not a Staples, I don't want to be. I want to separate myself from that. So I do that by our quality and by going the extra step in making sure that you know, somebody's printed piece, whether it's just a flyer for a baseball ice cream social, that it looks beautiful. And that means a lot to me. Alpha Graphics was founded in 1972. We were originally a photo lettering shop and have kind of morphed ourselves into a go-to print shop in Baltimore. We do everything from soup to nuts, custom invitations all the way to large banners and fabric and museum panels, as well as fine art, prints and wrapped canvas, basic adhesive vinyl, and we also do the installation. When I bought the company, things were kind of turned upside down. Things were in the red. I had to move out of the building, so I had to get a whole new place. It was just crazy from the beginning. So when I finally got situated, my production manager plugged in the poster printer and we started production. And that was all that mattered to her, was that we get things going. Employees that were there at the time had been there for 20+ years. I learned so much from them about what Alpha meant to the community that it was infused in me. I learned that piece that I needed to bring down to everybody else. And I'm hoping that I infuse that sense of responsibility, accountability in all of my employees, because I think that's important to say who Alpha is and what Alpha has meant to not only Baltimore, but people outside of Baltimore and you know, everywhere. Most of my employees are MICA students. I think I have one that's from Frostburg. But I employ MICA students, which is wonderful. And they know, you know, quality when they come in. We have Rachel Suggs. She got her degree in illustration and has been able to really utilize that with my clients here. Rachel does everything from boxing to canvas wraps to printing to emailing clients in pre-press. Lauren Brick is my production manager, and we just hired her, pulled her kind of off the set of House of Cards. She's been wonderful, and she is very good at noticing things. She's good at quality, she's good at delegating. Chelsea Green, who was my receptionist and has since been promoted to production assistant since we need more help there. And Chelsea, again, she'll help you with everything from pre-press to digital printing to large format printing as well as file setup. Juan Rodas, who's been with me for almost 5 years. Juan is working on a set of Alpha colors that is going to be used for the House of Cards. They're also known as color transfers or INTs or chromatex or rub downs or rub offs. There's many, many names for them. This process we've been doing since the mid-'80s, and I'm about one of 5 companies in the whole United States that create these because it's a very handmade process. It's a highly detailed image, either CMYK or vector, you can recreate to put on bottles and product mock-ups. Basically, it goes on any dry, smooth surface. I really am looking forward to getting involved in the printeriors portion of design. And by printeriors, I mean working with interior designers, working with architects for prints that go on the wall, for wall coverings, for fabric coverings on the wall. This is where this industry is going, so that's where I see myself going, as well as garment printing. I would like to do a lot more with the dye sublimation. We dabble, we're doing a little bit of mugs and some t-shirts and things like that, but I would really like to get more involved in the dye sub and more of the printeriors. We are what we say we are. We do what we say we do, and we treat the client like they're so special. And because I treat my clients the way I want to be treated. And that's just really it in a nutshell.